Today we learn Tunisian crochet backstrap pattern. Welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. As usual, we will be starting with a slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip, see here we are done with our slip knot.
What?
After slip knot, we will make 5 chain crochet stitches. It's like I am making 5 chain crochet stitches. Depends on you how broad the strap you want. Make that many chain crochet stitches. Just remember the number, because if it is 5 chain crochet stitches or 6, whatever the number is, you have to go on continue having that many loops on your crochet hook throughout the project. Okay, now we skip first stitch which comes after current loop on the needle, and from second stitch, now see, from second stitch we will have one loop on our crochet hook. Grab the yarn, pull through, and just stretch it bit longer or stretch it more. See, third, grab the yarn, pull through and stretch it more. Have third loop, one loop is already there. Then from fourth loop, and fifth loop. Okay, so this is how we are having 5 loops on the crochet hook. Now this was for the first row. From second row it will change. Now what we are going to do, we will yarn over, pull through from first loop only. Okay, after that we will yarn over and pull through from two loops till end. Now onwards, for every new row, every new line, we will skip this first space. Okay, we are not going to make loop from that space, and we will make loops from the space which is between two stitches. Okay, so one loop is as usual already on a crochet hook. First space you have to skip. This you have to skip for every new line. Now from second space, see, we are making loops, we are grabbing the yarn, pulling through from the space between two stitches. See, third again, and this is the fourth one. Okay, now we have only 4 loops. Where is the fifth loop? See, this last yarn, from here we will grab the yarn, pull through and make a fifth loop. Okay, so this is how we will have 5 loops, 5 chain crochet stitches, 5 loops. Then grab the yarn, pull through from one loop, and then grab the yarn, pull through from two loops. Now this step you have to go on repeating for whole project. Okay, I have shown you lot many of lines, so I won't disturb you anymore. You enjoy your stitches. Now see, this is how a Tunisian crochet backstrap look like. So this you can use in any kind of bag. It depends on your yarn. It will get as broader as you go for the broader yarn. I hope so you have liked the video. So please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. Please subscribe Sanjs Aasha. And those who have already subscribed, thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a
Thanks for
million.
watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.